What if the very system meant to protect you is under a silent, constant assault, and you've been unknowingly participating? For too long, we've believed a convenient, dangerous lie about our immune system. It's time to shatter those myths and expose the hidden truths that are keeping you sick. Myth 1. You only need to care about immunity when you're sick. Myth 2. Supplements alone can fix your immune system. Myth 3. Stress is only mental. Myth 4. Sleep deprivation is harmless. Myth 5. Modern food gives the body everything it needs. The immune system is your body's ultimate defense, a complex network constantly working to protect you. It comprises specialized cells like white blood cells and T cells, which act as vigilant guards against invaders. These immune warriors also produce antibodies, targeted missiles that recognize and neutralize specific threats, remembering them for future encounters. When a battle is underway, inflammation is your body's alarm, signaling resources to the front lines to fight off infection or repair damage. Remarkably, a significant part of this defense lies within your gut. Your gut microbiome, a community of trillions of microorganisms, plays a crucial role in immune regulation. This intricate system communicates constantly, a complex defense strategy unfolding in every moment to keep you safe. Imagine immune cells as an army of specialized warriors, bravely protecting the vital city that is your body. Yet, our modern lifestyle often undermines these natural defenses. We unknowingly engage in habits that weaken our immune system's resilience. Consuming excessive fast food and refined sugar floods our system with inflammatory compounds, distracting and overwhelming our immune cells. Chronic stress and environmental pollution suppress immune function, leaving us vulnerable. Our body struggles under constant assault. Lack of deep sleep and sedentary habits further deplete our body's ability to repair and regenerate, crucial for a strong immune response. Even excessive social media use and alcohol consumption can negatively impact immune health, affecting sleep and nutrient absorption. Visualize your immune cells, once strong warriors, now weary and ineffective, as inflammation spreads like a silent wildfire within your body. But there's good news. Scientific research reveals powerful strategies to fortify your immune system, turning the tide back in your favor. Prioritize deep, restorative sleep and regular exercise. These foundational habits are vital for immune cell production and function. Stay well hydrated and embrace natural sunlight, which provides essential vitamin D, a key modulator of immune responses. Fuel your body with nutrient-rich, whole foods and actively support your gut health through a diverse diet. A healthy gut means a strong immune system. Practice stress reduction techniques and mindful breathing. Calming your nervous system directly enhances immune cell activity. Imagine your immune cells re-energized, vibrant, and ready, once again standing guard, vigorously protecting your body. Many of these immune-boosting principles echo ancient wisdom. Our ancestors understood natural ways to thrive without modern medicine. They utilized herbal medicine, ate natural, unprocessed diets rich in seasonal foods, and spent significant time outdoors, soaking up the sun. Physical labor and movement were inherent to their daily lives, and community provided vital social support, reducing stress. Fermented foods were a staple, naturally supporting a healthy gut microbiome, and periodic fasting allowed their bodies to cleanse and repair. They lived in harmony with natural sleep cycles, prioritizing rest and allowing their immune systems to rejuvenate fully. Protect your body before it has to protect itself from you. Combine shocking myth-busting with visually stunning representations of the immune system, contrasting modern detriments with ancient wisdom for a comprehensive understanding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more science-based health content. And tell me in the comments how you intend to boost your immune system or the method you have been using before. Your answer could inspire someone else to start improving their health today.